Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world where your devices don't just respond to your commands. They anticipate your needs, understand your emotions, and blend seamlessly into your life. Now imagine these devices are designed by the creative genius behind the iPhone and powered by the most advanced artificial intelligence on the planet. This isn't science fiction. This is the future being built right now by OpenAI and Sir Jony Ive. In a move that has stunned both the tech and design worlds, OpenAI has acquired Jony Ive's hardware startup and named him creative head. The goal: to create a new generation of AI-powered devices that could completely transform how we interact with technology. Why is this such a big deal? Because Jony Ive is not just any designer, he's the visionary who helped turn Apple into the world's most valuable company. His work has shaped the look and feel of the digital age, from the colorful iMacs of the late 90s to the sleek iPhones and MacBooks we use today. Let's take a closer look at Jony Ive's journey. Born in London, he joined Apple in 1992, at a time when the company was struggling to stay afloat. Everything changed when Steve Jobs returned and teamed up with Ive. Their partnership sparked a design revolution. The first major breakthrough was the iMac, a computer that broke all the rules with its bold colors and friendly curves. It wasn't just about aesthetics. The iMac was approachable, easy to use, and made technology feel less intimidating. Then came the iPod, which put 1,000 songs in your pocket and changed the way we listen to music forever. Jony Ive's design philosophy, simplicity, elegance, and obsessive attention to detail became Apple's trademark. But it was the iPhone that truly changed the world. When it launched in 2007, it wasn't just a phone. It was a camera, a music player, a web browser, and a platform for millions of apps. The iPhone's intuitive design and beautiful interface set a new standard for technology. Over the years, Ive led the design of the iPad, the Apple Watch, the MacBook Air, and countless other products. His influence is everywhere, from the devices in your pocket to the way you interact with technology every day. In 2019, Jony Ive left Apple to start his own design firm, Love From. He continued to collaborate with major brands, but many wondered what his next big move would be. Now with OpenAI, he's ready to leave his mark on a new frontier, artificial intelligence. OpenAI is already a leader in the AI space, with models like ChatGPT and DALL-E transforming how we write, create, and solve problems. But until now, OpenAI's innovations have lived mostly in the digital world: apps, websites, and cloud services. That's about to change. With Jony Ive at the helm, OpenAI is stepping boldly into hardware. The vision is to create devices that are not just smart, but truly intelligent, products that can learn, adapt, and even empathize with their users. Industry experts are buzzing with excitement and speculation. What kind of devices could this partnership produce? Some imagine a next-generation personal assistant, more advanced than any smartphone or smart speaker. Others predict wearable devices that blend AI seamlessly into our daily routines, offering real-time insights and support. But it's not just about utility. Jony Ive is known for making technology invisible, products that disappear into the background, letting you focus on what matters. Imagine a device that senses your mood, anticipates your needs, and helps you navigate your day without ever feeling intrusive. This collaboration could also revolutionize accessibility. AI-powered devices could help people with disabilities communicate, learn, and interact with the world in ways never before possible. Imagine a wearable that translates sign language in real time, or a smart assistant that helps the visually impaired navigate busy streets. This wouldn't be the first attempt to merge AI and hardware. Projects like Humane AI Pin and Rabbit R1 have tried and struggled to make AI feel natural in physical form. Those products generated hype, but were criticized for clunky design, unclear value, and overpromising. The OpenAI plus Ive partnership aims to avoid those pitfalls by prioritizing elegance, usefulness, and emotional connection. But it's not just about the hardware. Jony Ive has always believed that great design is about creating experiences, products that are delightful, intuitive, and emotionally resonant. Combined with OpenAI's technology, these experiences could become even richer. Imagine a device that doesn't just respond to your voice but understands your intent, your context, and your preferences. A device that learns from you, grows with you, and becomes a true companion in your daily life. Of course, there are challenges ahead. Building hardware is notoriously difficult. Making it secure, private, and ethically responsible is even harder. OpenAI knows this. That's why transparency and user safety are part of their stated mission for this new direction. Privacy and security will be at the heart of this new wave of devices. OpenAI has promised to prioritize user safety and transparency, but earning the public's trust will be essential as these products enter our homes and lives. The tech community is already buzzing with ideas. Some dream of AI-powered glasses that overlay helpful information onto the real world. Others hope for a home assistant that can manage your schedule, help with your health, and even offer emotional support. But there's also concern. The more intelligent a device becomes, the more personal the data it must process. Will this new hardware respect user consent or drift into surveillance? If OpenAI and Jony Ive get this right, they won't just create a new gadget. They'll set a new standard for how humans and machines live together. This partnership isn't just about gadgets. It's about reimagining the relationship between humans and technology. It's about making technology more personal, more helpful, and more humane. Jony Ive has always said that design is about solving real problems and improving lives. With OpenAI's AI, those solutions could be more powerful and more creative than ever before. As we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. Will we see a device that replaces the smartphone? Will AI-powered wearables become as common as headphones and watches? Or will this collaboration lead to something entirely new, a product we can't even imagine yet? One thing is certain. The combination of Jony Ive's design genius and OpenAI's AI breakthroughs is a recipe for something extraordinary. We're standing at the edge of a new era in technology. The next big leap might be just around the corner, and it all starts with this bold collaboration. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI and design. If you're as excited as we are, subscribe for more updates and let us know in the comments. What device do you hope Jony Ive and OpenAI will create next? Stay curious and see you in the next video.